how to use a massage gun for low back pain relief. Now, when you're going to start massaging the low back, the easiest area to start in is to focus on the muscles that are closest to the spine. I want to show that right here, Brad.
Sure.
So this is the lumbar spine, in the low back,
Right
right?
here.
And there are layers upon layers of kind of stringy muscles that run right close to the spine. The spine is right here. The bumps you
Yep.
feel in the back of your back, your low back. I would go ahead and just start hitting right along the muscle group here. So you go.
Work it just like this. Can you see that, Mike? I'm sorry if I. Whoa. Make sure I bridge across those, because these are plastic. It's a harder surface, and that would not be comfortable on those bones. Are you doing okay with that,
Yeah,
Bob?
it actually feels good.
Ah, good. Now, if I go right to left a little bit, am I getting closer?
Still fine.
It's doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got it at an angle. If I go more direct in, it's going to be a little deeper. So again, these really are quick to take on and put
these
off.
are small guns, but they're very powerful. This is our smallest gun, but
Yep.
it really is powerful.
Yeah, you have to hold the button down for 2 to 3 seconds before they turn on. So I'm going to pull this so you can see it better. And so I'm working here, and I can go in. I'm going to work that whole muscle group that goes up and down on each side of the spine. And then down in the lower back, there's even more muscles. We've got the quadratus lumborum, the supraspinatus, or what's the big long group of muscles you just talked
That's right. What I want to point out here is actually the latissimus dorsi attaching to the fascia.
Mm-hmm.
On both sides, of course, and the gluteus maximus also attaches to the fascia.
Right.
So you may, as a secondary thing, if those are tight, they could be pulling on your back, and you're not able to straighten your back as much as you would like.
Yeah.
So you may want to massage those areas too.
Yeah, so we're talking, way up in here is going to have some effect on that fascia, as well as these muscles, because they all go in and they connect the latissimus. You're probably going to do this lying down.
Yeah, right.
So that it's a little easier. You work that.
Now the buttock is one area you can work. That's definitely one you can get to.
Yep.